Hello, welcome to a new tech video. Let me do this dust quick right here. I meant to do it before the video, but kind of forgot. Yeah, dust problem taken care of. And today, we have another problem. No, not really a problem yet, but we're bringing it to it before it becomes a problem. That makes sense. That is, of course, probably just by this power supply inside the machine. That's the wrong one. Or is it? No, it's not the wrong one. It's the wrong one. Okay. I have two of these. I have three total. One's in the build. This is the brand new one I got last week. I have my test one over there. Well, I used to testing motherboards and stuff. If your board's not in a case, I went over there. I can tell because the cables put into it. This one does not. All the cables for this are right here, and this is very bad. Fast plate in here. Fast plate is currently in here. Does still work. Nothing wrong with it. It's a bit messy because there's a lot of cables I don't need in this build, but it works. So why am I changing it? This is more of a preventative thing more than anything. I did a new build recently, my G4920 build, my new testament build. And during that, I decided to order two power supplies, one for that build, one for this build. So we can change it now before this power supply either dies or dies and takes the board out with it. And we're a little more safe and sound. But the power supply is like 14 years old. Probably time to replace that thing. Here's everything this build before. This is my G4920 build, my NAS build from 2020. My first of two pandemic builds. God damn it. You guys see this? Yes. Here's the inside. See, I believe it's an Antec power supply. I believe it is. This is an Antec APU, something like that. I just changed this fan about a month ago. No. Damn. Almost 4 months ago. This SSD added during that time. It's an older SSD that I put on the computer. That is the WD Black drive I put in this original to this build. And they drove it in October, about 6 months ago, roughly. Oh. It's just like 3 months ago. More like 5 months ago. Because I was probably in the middle of October. I was at the end of December. What was that? End of December, October, end of December, something like this. March 2020. I think the board Ram SPU. I was probably in here when they did the build, I think. I had the power supply in here. Did not bring a knife. Fuck. I wouldn't need it and I forgot I did that. Damn. Really, I'll get the knife, I'll get the camera at a better angle, and we'll get started on this build, on this upgrade. Alright. So, I have a better position now to work on this. I have my knife to cut these ties off. So, what I'll do first, I'll go and cut the ties off, then I'll start unplugging shit. So here, this is the tie on the CPU power connector. Try to slide underneath it. Yep. Oh. I don't give a fuck for this case, fuck it, let's touch it. What to do. Okay. That one's off. This one over here. Remove. Doesn't have as much room to move, but easily cut. Fine. That one over now, I'll leave. I need to cut that because I'll get it and come out. Now unplug that cable. I was real stuck. If I didn't do that, I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna pull it back out. Damn. Get in there. Try that out. Get out of the side here. Plug these two. like that. Then do the motherboard particle. Just a clip on it. Or not clip, move it back and forth a bit. Like so. Same thing with the speaker. Set the clip on. Outside. That's perfect unboxing machine. So, take it out. I got it. Computer. Right on its bottom here. I already adjusted the camera. Alright. Oops. What we're gonna do, move those 4 screws on the back, or 3 screws on the back, or I guess 4. One's different, I bent that screw. I think it got loose, and the way the puck I bent the screw. So I put the one in this thing. Before I had a bit here. And we're gonna take those out. You know what I do? I'll do opposite corners first. Because the other two can still hold it, press button just fine. Right if I'm tight. I'm never doing that now though. I didn't really tighten things. It should be fun. Now the thing I'm gonna not put my hand inside the power supply. So the case will hold the power supply in place. While under the lights too. And then again servers. Damn. Oops. I need a bigger, a larger screw. Get a better grip on it. Then you can get a grip on it. There. Get it started. How do I hand this? Nope. I'll hold it for one hand. Alright, listen it up. Anyway, turn this around here. It's pretty loose in there. I gotta let it go and it'll stay in place. But be careful if you do that. And then in case push. Then I need to push it in, lean it down, and slide it out. And with that, halfway, I can remove it. Alright. The new one. There is some more storage. Alright, so we're going the way around. The fan on top, and the window tends to have it up against the middle. Put it in like this. So the fan is down here. Alright. Put it up above the motherboard. And slide it in place. Like so. Now I turn this thing around. Not a roster. When you unbox the power supply, I did it in my 5925 review. I tested it, make sure it worked. You get a bag of zip ties, and inside the bag of zip ties, bag of screws for the power supply. So, I'll change it a small bit. I'll go ahead and put in those parts free. So you get a better bit of those bigger screws. They did not want to come out. That's how with you. I've heard those. You're going to go there and hearing things. Fucking group chat. That's something that I did is. Heard it goes, really. Alright. Let's put the line on it. Just get inside, don't turn it all the way down. Just yet, so it's all forward. I'm not too much smooth it. Okay. A little there. Right here. And the screw down here. That's what's the tight is. Those are junk. Anyway, maybe it's not right. That's not the same password, but it is. Anyhow, understand? Gonna tighten these down. They get a little bit of effort, but not too much. And there we go. Now screw is in there. Alright. Wait about there. And change the camera cable. One more time. The new one inside the machine. Now hook it up. So the 24 pin motherboard back here. I'm going to do that one first. The clip faces the outside. So line it up, I'll put it in here. I just want to fit though. There it is. That's it, the 8 pin CPU. You don't take my quick, I'm facing it towards the outside. That's how this board is. Put it right there. Now for the saddle wiring. For my driving car. I'll put the bag of them. I used my all-in shit all in one cable, it's pretty quite good. Should undo the potato. Maybe. That's more like dumbass. No chance with SATA cable. Oh, here we go, we get one go. We're gonna go down with it. I think it's gonna go like that. But that should be alright. Alright, through here. go on here. And the power supply, which is about 8 on here. Motherboard. Alright, that's it. That's done. So, now that water management. I really just thought, again, that's pretty good idea actually, to tie this cable up. Shit. Alright. Alright, hold it to cut it in there. Alright. I need a couple of them. The next one is they're pretty thick cables. So doing figures that log. Figures that long to me. Take two of those, you can shove them together. Make one long one. Like so, with like an L. That's how I'm gonna do these cables right here. I'll put that with a dry battery. I'm gonna take this. Board here. Pin. Pin. Shit. Whoops. Okay. Should be hard. Cool. Getting to the difference. These guys. Could be done better, but other than that, really, what are you gonna do? I guess you could do. They're kind of stupid though. Unless maybe could got this one behind the drive itself. There's something down like this. Enjoy it. I feel the parts can't get to come down. There's an apple. Yeah. I'm stupid. They aren't screwed in, dumbass. Put it there. And then that in the wood. It's a lot winter. This guy out the walking one. You gotta be fucking kidding me again. Yeah. Damn Damn it. Alright. 1 second. Fuck this case. Alright. So the other hand kind of tries to set up the do the one hand. So hold on a minute. Throw this behind underneath the drive. I can push it out the other side. Yeah, it's a weird shit. Oh, the front part here is right there. I can't get to the cable. I'll do my hand first anyway. I did this trick the last time. What is it? I'm doing that trick again. Oh, come on. I made it too small again. Damn it. Too hard. Not this one. It's hard. It's very sexy. There, fuck it. Moving on. My hand there. Be easier. Remember that here goes to this drive. Yeah. Where's that entirely? Alright. And now this cable, because of that driver, right? That there is 4, or no? Yeah. We can go down. Behind these drives. If I can get this through. And you one lower net. You under the driver. I'm Cool. Just drive again. Look at that. It's a lot cleaner. Look at that inside. Cool. Power and data, power and data, power and data. Also, we're going to the board. That back in there a bit. You're good to go. Not the cleanest job, but best of I can do. Do it in the case. I've never been before. So, alright, I'm going to put the peanut butter. I'm going to test it up here, test it downstairs, but I can test it better. Make sure it all works. I know it always power up because I have tested the power supply before. It does work. But, yeah. Ooh, that was another way. Alright. I'm gonna get it. Everything I did that. And then I'll slap the controller back on. Not bad for probably less than a half hour. Usually shit goes wrong, so I use so much time to do. It sounds simple. It usually ain't. And I shouldn't say that. The keyboard's getting annoying. Alright, that was why. Put the hand on for a bit. We're good to go. The new power supply installed. Under a half hour. I'll see you all downstairs. I gotta test it. See if it works. Alright. I recorded the last part on Wednesday. Currently it is Monday. It's been a few days. Like going to work on it. And so like right in the way to make sure. If we're going to put back up. Yeah, at least not. I don't see why I wouldn't, but you know. Nothing goes wrong getting on film, right? Fire. Oof. Oh, I got turned on. Oops. Fire. There we go. Alright. So this 12 VGA input. So is it online or not? I'm sure it will, but. No, not you, MacMini. It's on VGA. So I had available. And yep, it's doing something. Putting through it up. And it has booted up. That's the sound that it has. We're trying to address that a bit. Let's see if it's showing up online or not. It is. Send a video. It's my files. The 6 TB drive and the 1 TB drive are both found. Just make sure here. Put in log in. And this, that's the arm, right there. We took the SSD and the 1 to it was super black. So we are good to go. Sweet. This is anticipated. Just as I anticipated. It's a miracle. Something went right for once. So, as no copy over, a copy over. I don't see this being any issues at all. But yeah, alright. So I just end it here. Hope you have all enjoyed. Listen, guys. Take it easy.